Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make mint oil. Making your own mint oil at home is surprisingly simple and incredibly rewarding. We'll walk through each step, from selecting the freshest mint to properly storing your finished product. You'll learn how to create a potent, aromatic oil using just a few common items. This guide will help you harness the natural essence of mint for various uses, ensuring a delightful and easy experience. To begin, you'll need about 1 cup of fresh mint leaves. The fresher the mint, the more potent your oil will be. Next, choose a good quality carrier oil. Extra virgin olive oil or sweet almond oil work wonderfully. You'll also need a clean glass jar with a secure lid for the infusion process. Finally, have a fine mesh strainer or some cheesecloth ready for separating the oil later on. These simple items are all you need. First, gently wash your fresh mint leaves and lightly bruise them to release their natural oils. This can be done by gently crushing them with a spoon or your hands. Next, place all the prepared mint into your clean glass jar. Pour about 1 cup of your chosen carrier oil over the mint, ensuring all the leaves are fully submerged. Seal the jar tightly and let it sit in a cool, dark place for 2 to 3 weeks to infuse. After 2 to 3 weeks, it's time to strain your mint oil. Place a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth over a clean bowl and pour the infused oil through it. Gently press or squeeze the mint leaves to extract every last drop of that precious oil. Discard the spent mint. Finally, transfer your beautiful homemade mint oil into a dark glass bottle to protect it from light. Store it in a cool, dark place for optimal freshness and longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.